partisan. Me partisan no, I don't support it. But a group baby so I support. Who tiene making? JB system ni a pass baby and obi to me kase yemfa assemblies no kram fa manana which I don't support it. Yeah, the manana mu da woman ntimi anyo.
Sir.
Oh yes. Local governance no JB started 1847. 1847 sir up to 1959. Near practice native authority. Native authority ni nananum.
Yeah.
Na abrofo no use your paramount chiefs no. Ema omu tumi shemra ede. Native authority no and ye di boom mine sir besi 1949. And ye change from native authority to administrative authority. Okay. Administrative authority mean kai obi abe major kobna.
Yeah.
Ya papa kwesi adwuma de na ye currently obi timi ho. On your call ni mienu nyina. Eti administrative authority no so ye be hu say DC tisenka fuseni don call ni staffs no ho. Omo sorry ya no mako drobonso. Yes ye brem nsuo. Meanwhile na drobonso for penkonya.
Yeah.
Eti omo say development ni reflect in our district. So omo nim dia local government team says that no. We have to change from the representative your friends administrative authority to another authority. Now currently the authority that we are practicing is administrative friends a representative authority.
Okay.
Say mo amon ko tena sinyi nipa mo ogidie yeden e wo no man megina wana. Na district na amu no so no aban ni hwe nipa wotim a obetimi ahwe mo problem na yeden aye enti your friends say JB ya pass 3 authorities native authority nananom ne serve kese pa almost serve almost about 80 something years in local governance.
I see.
Oma perform any years and more movie because 1847 to 1949 was at a native authority. Administrative authority here 1949 to friends say 1992. Yes, started. Your friend is saying
democracy.
Democracy the administrative representative authority by. Etiaye ni nyina bi. The emami kasa say aba yeto no. Partisan election no nipa to abasin ababia.
Okay.
It is a yebe ni partisan. Number 1, sa winner takes all no. See a year fio.
But that's it,
me say ye no partisan a year. Winner takes all ni obi.
Yeah.
Because MPP TV me kan Johnson onu kwa na be yi DC is for Ashanti region. What has our power?
Yeah, sure.
Who hear me point no? We are then drop on so say no befa. As one say one befa. Yes. Same as your friend is saying NDC bar, Ashanti region, any other region, majority. Yes. And now we not take so na then every. But nipa fi say no. E bi a wan we a wo a wuni aban na fa no. Finances was here the man ye adwuma ye mfa nye den. But me fear say baby I ba do no. JB yem protected district assembly concept no. By say ya G assemblies to meaning nyina e dey ma MPs.
Me ba o. Chief. What ye DC? Now so say e china bi be take decision bi a Mahama Beka so bi na say atam matu mapamo.
Oh, and it can happen anytime.
Yes.
So
no, you see,
do you everything possible to save and protect us?
Yes. Your first duty as a DC, you know, apart from say ubedi constitution so no, so say 1, you not exhibit anti-party behaviors.
Yes.
Anti-party behaviors.
Yes.
And yes, we a DC, you know, what they all say.
Me NDC ni a.
Me NDC ni bi.
Me NPP ni bi man ase.
Inti ebe hu no MPP for a meeting out to say me a DC inti me.
Nti o de o nko.
And the party no kra na be you wedi. Party ni so yi wedi a president just on so fire. And number 2, untimi undermine we MP. Especially when you are in the same party. Ebasana sentokwe muntema they will sacrifice you first.
But which man undermine your assembly members?
No. That's we are one open with impeachment. Because assembly members need sorry, 8 years vote of they can easily remove you. So if you first you have to obey the constitution of Ghana.
Yeah.
And that includes your assembly because bylaws is under the constitution.
I see.
2, who need any policy apart from the policy of the president.
Who need any policy?
No.
Apart from the president Nakasa.
Yes.
Enti ne beba wo persuasion bia na president initiative. E you know the policy.
Who cry na okofa ba ya credit to the president. Say me about 3 projects. Me and because of say funding from Japanese embassy, another one from the Netherlands government. Ebisu me na fufu bi di free Dubai be ye. Ni nyina wo commission JM na de bre.
Can you imagine?
Why not? Why? What can't you imagine? And you na appoint you this year, Kabenya. And you na appoint you, Kabenya. It's because of the position.
If we say it's a problem, no na yeah, so assembly members in the problem. Oh, process and say you are managing the district as DC, and your board of directors is the assembly members. So you discuss everything with the assembly.
Oh yeah, we do it.
So Adia Biba, you people don't talk about the performance of the assembly. See me point to. But you relate it and give the credit to the presidency. We don't any problem. But also see me point to. Assembly say abayin na de beba dia. What is the need of doing the assembly election?
Me ba as Opoma me the
me no ya adwuma. Who ya adwuma say ya appoint o. But also recommendation
let me give you a classical example with the Japanese grant. Okay. When you are sourcing for a grant, and only there mostly a go through you inform the General Assembly. So nyame adom de yes. What I say? Mostly you don't need the permission of the General Assembly before you go for and there IGF been a work source. But anything that has to do with the common fund, especially even the IGF there, just who contact omo.
I see.
And now common fund project ya kasa ya share budget ni the only omo na be share. Nti ye ti ase say Akoma ye the hospital beba Akoma electoral area. Yeah. Na say common fund ne ba na kasa common fund ya be ye betimi ya hospital mienu a. The priority area near Akoma ye de share budget no say ye be hospital.
Okay.
Ultimately, and no one nya problem because it's in the budget. It has been captured. Say eba munya chips compound. And the man and chips compound be no. Common fund be a Mahama say at least 2 schools under 3, at least 2 chips compounds.
Send a pair condition.
Yes,
condition at the atoso.
I see. And the mind is here chips compound schools no be brace ano. That was the condition. Si kanibane so asan kura. One year Kurana usuku dan back when the chips compound back.
I see.
See, what I got was enough to do a health center and a nurses quarters. Me I said two account. What I say?
Yeah.
This one was purely done by but the technical guys, the engineer, drawing, the planning officer, drafting, coordinating directors, it's a no idea. Nyame buana go through now fe. Only assembly members na ba minuanom me de Hamidu electoral area din na kwaje ye nti mesramo enye se me ye bias Hamidu electoral area na say yes ye de ko nti no omo no behu a okay chief Hamidu electoral area nya ne dia next one embra me ho so the next one went to Isekura ejamiami kurum nti drobonso assemblyman no so eje ho fans nti no koya assemblyman di anim ba assemblyman di odi anim ne say the electoral area na there neighbor. It would be anymore. But unfortunately for me, then no, the assemblyman there was an MPP guy. Or my chairman and on the ADC, you know.
Oh, sir, Hamidu. Sulema Hamidu. Oh, I see.
I didn't some more prove you ever ban or lose you. It's you started project in the NDC in an abe assemblyman. Then the boy me aja on the ODD and DJ in the fans some who me buy and say I'm in the hospital.
What's why George go come?
But Sule knew the genesis of the project.
So the minutes of the assembly now.
Yeah.
At least also bit man make it.
Oh, and make I say, on the pencil, Miss Teachers Quarters or me schools and that please base in me. Also the Jane fans.
Because you see a dear about
the miniano. I just saw Tim Asene say, I can't praise the assemblyman when I'm commissioning such a huge project.
Yeah.
Because he's an MPP guy.
No. Because set Saturday and this in also. Or then Chem Cran never commission project. No. Maybe we are me crown man commission thinking so. Me rushing quiet on taking office. We are the two of us who just go. Okoye crowd or Pamome or Momensi. The regional minister, someone of Siemens and a commission here.
I see.
Yes. Oh, so in the commissioning, once the regional minister is there, it is assumed say president na dia na bre.
Oh.
The only thing is that those who are enlightened will see the Japan government also being represented.
Yeah.
But still, regional minister Hong Kong they abide Japan abide na dia aba.
Eba say mu tumi bia ni adwuma na mu ye ni mu.
Now regional minister who this you 2 minutes saying. He said kura the make commission. Yera Akon on a regional minister
then, yeah.
Yes. He came to commission. Come, Eja. Ojene fans.
Yes, sir.
Ebini asema America. Ehu.
Opomanye
Mebacho.
hu. Wait me akofi anytime.
Yeah.
Ehu from where?
Ehu and a DC is na ide. On the JB bepim ne. Regional minister can be bia say obake ma semwa. No poma no ne to the extent so say medidi na tem kra. Which me needi na tem da. Minti min ka benche no. Ba ne na me ma regional minister hu ni say. Se mo wa ko parliament da. Na mo yem rana. Yem protect institutions no na wonye den. We are regional minister. You cannot give directives to the assembly member. Emre bia no ma regional minister bia kwen. Emra ne say
oversight responsibility.
Or see you monitor, coordinate and evaluate. You don't direct.
That's all oversight responsibility.
No,
But
over there.
But you cannot direct us.
Local assembly bia only 2 million.
You cannot
only direct the
Oh,
DC.
assembly. And I mean,
Not the assembly member.
yes.
No, they are elected
That is why I
members.
say, Yama assembly now you too light. So the regional minister was trying to me who said be say be abafo for MPP ni. Yes say master. Honorable, Yama system ni nyejuma. Obetimi afre advice here. You bet me afa because we are regional minister. But untimi insist say me se monya dey enye sei. Emra na wa call parliament ko hihye no. Be bia no e ma power to direct any assembly member. For that one I will not agree. Emra no so as specify no correct under section 188 89 and 90 no. Echre it other than regional minister person was say and say me se monya sei. And I'm saying, yeah, so me I protected was SCB a lot because me the presiding member. Emranu or see the regional and can regional minister or see the regional coordinating council shall monitor, coordinate, and evaluate.
Oh, I see.
And the regional minister had a directive from the regional coordinating council. It is a coordinating council meeting. Decisions I better take care of and our minister we then. Then our banana catch a came and say yenisi. And account but you know why
87.9
minister bet me could if say no conconza. Say example na mimo.
Okay.
DC why or my medjuma nya den enkoso. Meanwhile asem no krepa e wo mu no onka. But the assembly members them what DC is say when the assembly members any DC are stronger a difficult say president be changing.
What they can only do is
we did same to Sapon. Say okay anya me won Yamin Obimpe and when in account is it Sly not Sly other guy Etron say you change your friend is saying
Dr.
Sapon if you could remember me Kwame Kwache and Patrick Frimpong now presiding member. Then you take it that campaign.
No, because by then Yobimpe was
the regional chairman.
Chairman
of
the party
secretary. Into your mobile, how you give priority to them.
Oh no, what now a whole member of parliament shawa also
A whole member of parliament.
Oh, there be. Now one member minority leader then. Only in your meeting. I don't know
I'm not saying say he did something wrong, but courtesy demands say, oh, chairman,
meeting
that is the minority leader who the moment me break a crack.
You know why? Yes, a statement near press conference here. Powers nipa mi na share. So we agree say president in change Sapon, but we are waiting for the ordinary day. You take you up the your friends say media no call no they called us and on busa ye chechem and they save Sapon na Sapon NDC ni but ye protect Sapon.
What the agenda
say
agenda na muko ye
oh that be na nipa no was say ni o can be yesu MP na aba o and MP ntina
oh agenda it was agenda dey farm am. What you say?
Yes, MP. Our minority leader na aba o. Onu nti ni asi ebe you hide. It was a protected sapon.
I see.
But I don't know any parallel.
Za.
Now, suppose you meeting now or to golf park or now. I want to be our near meeting area now.
Asamaba.
This is for about golf park or they call regional office. Who free the few over for saying on Wickham Street. Now, what your back show, baby now. Yes, you who support say Sapon chair, baby. Whereas Monica is the light and also quick red. She would have. Oh. Yeah, every do so, but say for saying the okay, maybe for saying in assembly members here very strong. Me if you send your way and ebo kumase, ebo assembly. Now we say we interesting to win everywhere. They will protect you. Hey, udi nipa 100 ba. Yes, on. Eba sa, eba ma DC ni sumo aye den. I do. Ba me ni wo ka say assembly member bi su ye den esuno. Now we no be a DC no be protect you no. Na semba mu nyina mo yina ye den. Ama. How is he going to do all these things? And to me, JB, my problem is, to be honest, assemblies need a ego, a buffer. Your weaknesses need too much. It's in a dear assembly member, the Accra. Now, could you believe, say, whole assembly member, any project, and no papa, and assembly member, Kotina, MP gate. Near be no patcho, any DC in Coca. Me have been Sisada. Oh, eti me who say, JB, yamwa. Say ya bwani ani DC sini kamboma. DC etisa akokwa wagina yi. Nwia e protect your assembly members.
First you can say DC bi kwa bar electoral area bia. Ni hu the way sit here.